First, to exhibit the trauma that comes with any situation similar to hers and the negative change in identity, self-worth, and self-recognition that is also prominent. And second, to inform and empower other women and victims by sharing her story of growth. Conclusion and method. After the completion of this case study, it has become apparent that adequate support for victims of rape and sexual assault is not common or developed in many places. Victims need other forms of support other than their family and friends to assist them during their healing from trauma. Miller explained how when she left the hospital after that life-altering night, she was offered pamphlets to educate herself on some of the emotions she may have begun to experience. This is just one example of the poor resources that hospitals offer to rape victims. Support groups for victims, professionals on the subject, and caregivers could all be helpful commodities for hospitals and health centers to partake in to offer more support to victims. The different pieces of evidence show that many victims experience forms of PTSD and psychological alterations after the assault. Different forms of support could make these negative and unwanted side effects less impactful for the survivor. It is also clear that the normalized sexual culture of college life must be tamed and monitored by schools to avoid any incidents from occurring in the future. Through Miller's memoir, Know My Name, readers are able to see life through the eyes of a victim of sexual assault and experience her emotions, growth, and healing. Thank you.